Hello friends, hope all are fine. Today we are going to see the case study doing great in weak economy. This I have taken from the book Strategic Management Concept and Cases by R. David, which is very deeply written book, useful for the students, professors, professionals. Okay, so doing great in a weak economy. McDonald's Corporation. When most firms were struggling in 2008, McDonald's increased its revenue from $22.7 billion in 2007 to $23.5 billion in 2008. Headquartered in Oak Brook, Illinois, McDonald's net income nearly doubled during that time from $2.4 billion to $4.3 billion, which is quite impressive. Fortune magazine in 2009 rated McDonald's as their 16th most admired company in the world in terms of their management and performance. McDonald's added 650 new outlets in 2009. McDonald's added 650 new outlets in 2009 when many restaurants struggled to keep their doors open. This is very important. When most of the restaurants were struggled to keep their doors open, that means they were not able to maintain or manage their cost with respect to their revenue. But in the same scenario, McDonald's was doing very good and McDonald's added 650 new outlets in 2009. McDonald's low prices and expanded menu items have attracted millions of new customers away from sit-down chains and independent eateries. Jim Skinner, CEO of McDonald's, says, "We do so well because our strategies have been so well planned out. We do so well because our strategies have been so well planned out." McDonald's served about 60 million customers every day in 2009, 2 million more than in 2008. Nearly 80% of McDonald's are run by franchisees or affiliates. McDonald's in 2009 spent $2.1 billion to remodel many of its 32,000 restaurants and build new ones at a more rapid pace than in recent years. McDonald's in 2009 did spend $2.1 billion to remodel many of its 32,000 restaurants and build new ones at a more rapid pace than in recent years. This is in stark contrast to most restaurant chains that are struggling to survive, laying off employees, closing restaurants, and reducing expansion plans. McDonald's restaurants are in 120 countries. Going out to eat is one of the first activities that customers cut in tough times. A rising US dollar is another external factor that hurts McDonald's. An internal weakness of McDonald's is that the firm now offers upscale coffee drinks like lattes and cappuccinos in over 7,000 locations, just as budget conscious consumers are cutting back on such extravagances. About half of McDonald's 31,000 locations are outside the US. But McDonald's top management team says everything the firm does is for the long term. This is very important. It is not for short term, it is for long term. McDonald's for several years referred to their strategic plan as plan to win. Strategic plan as plan to win. This strategy has been to increase sales at existing locations by improving the menu, remodeling dining rooms, which creates a major impact, extending hours, and adding snacks. The company has avoided deep price cut on its menu items. McDonald's was only one of the 3 large US firms that saw its stock price rise in 2008. You know what did happen in 2008? Okay. The other 2 firms were Walmart and Family Dollar stores. Other strategies being pursued currently by McDonald's include replacing gasoline-powered cars with energy-efficient cars, lowering advertising rates, halting building new outlets on street corners where nearby development shows signs of weakness, boosting the firm's coffee business and improving the drive through windows to increase sales and efficiencies. McDonald's receives nearly two-thirds of its revenue from outside of the United States. The company has 40,000 US outlets and 18,000 outlets outside US. McDonald's feeds 58 million customers every day. The company operates Hamburger University in suburban Chicago. McDonald's reported that first quarter 2009 profit rose 4% and same store sales rose 4.3% across the globe. Same store sales in the second quarter of 2009 were up another 4.8%. So this is the McDonald's success stories. Here, the key points were the strategic plan as points plan to win. The strategic plan as plan to win. And second, McDonald's top management team says everything the firm does is for the long term. Thank you so much, guys.